Alright, YouTube. It's come to the point of kitten raising. The cats need a bath. I've been stimulating their bowels with my fingers covered in toilet paper. And they shit a lot on the cardboard box lid that I'm going to throw out now, and on themselves, especially that one, whose name is Pecan, also known as Dragonfly. To bathe a cat, you have to be prepared that they're going to hate you. So this is what I'm going into it. I'm going into it armed. Yeah, I have got. Okay, this thing's called a Snuggle safe. Learned about it from the Kitten Lady on YouTube. It's just some sort of thing that you put in the microwave and it stays hot for a long time. Or warm, I guess I should say. Or kind of hot, honestly, I don't know. So you cover it up, and then it's just like a little heating pad that's ready to go for the kittens. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get my microphone out. Alright, so I've got my Snuggle safe ready to go for them after the bath. I've got my blanket, which has become their blanket, in the dryer downstairs, just so it'll be really warm for them. I have got Blue Dawn dish soap, because they had some evidence of fleas, and a couple of fleas on them a couple days ago. Haven't seen any since then, but the vet, they said Blue Dawn dish soap, for whatever reason, is what to use. I've got a bottle full of formula on hand, in case they want some. I've got this tray, so they can get sort of acclimated to the water, so they can see it. Got a pot of warm water. Maybe that's enough for now. I don't know if you'll be able to see very well from there. Oh yeah. And oh, here's my microphone, just so we can get a more, better sound fidelity.